Food for Healthy Living. I'm going to show you how we make a certain type of protein bar. Now you are going to have to prepare ahead, and this is what you're going to need to do. First of all, you're going to take 1 cup of Brazil nuts and 2 cups of raw almonds. Put them in a jar and put some warm water over them and let them soak for about 4 to 5 hours. Okay? And then you're going to strain and you're going to rinse and you're going to chop them up on Vitamix speed number 2. And drop them in when you're turn your machine on first and drop them in while the machine's on Vitamix number 2. And you're also going to take 1 cup each of dried cranberries and chopped dates and raisins. And you're going to put warm water over those and soak those for about an hour and strain. And you're going to turn your machine on and drop them in on Vitamix number 2. Okay? And you're also going to make your infusion. You can choose any one of the infusions you like. You can mix them if you like. This one happens to be the Immunopower infusion. You're going to start with 3 cups of that. Put it in your Vitamix container. And you're going to want to refill this because you're going to use another 3 cups for your flax mixture. Okay, now, first you're going to chop your carrots up and you put your lid on and turn your machine on Vitamix number 10 and you drop in your carrots one at a time. We use 6 carrots. And you're going to strain. Okay? And you're going to reuse that liquid. I'm going to use this for something else. That's for our flax mixture. And you use that strained liquid and you chop your celery on Vitamix speed number 10 and you're processing like 5 seconds. You're going to turn that speed down to number 8 and throw in your tomatoes. There's 10 Roma tomatoes. And we have 1 yellow squash and 1 zucchini. You throw that in with that. And we also have 1 red bell pepper. Take the seeds out and throw that in also on Vitamix number 8. And now all of that liquid is right here. You don't need to strain it again. You just put it in your bowl. There we go. And just add the rest of the carrots that you already chopped. Here we go. Now the foods that we use primarily are considered power foods. Carrots, celery, tomatoes, squashes, bell peppers, pineapple, grapes. These all have nutrient-dense properties in them. So we put that in there. And here we have our pineapple. This pineapple is processed on high. Break down all that fiber, release all that nutrition. Don't want to waste any. And we have red grapes, 4 cups of red grapes processed on number 5. Now if you want to know any of the nutritional properties of these foods, just check our webpage out under the video recipe of protein bars and it will have all that information. Okay, we're going to add our chopped fruit. There we are. And we're going to add our chopped nuts. There we go. Brazil nuts and almonds are very high in proteins. Mix that up just a little bit. Now the grains we're going to use are gluten-free grains and they are considered the highest grains in regards to protein properties. They are high in proteins and they are also high in complete proteins. And what you're going to do is you're going to take 1 cup of each. We use quinoa, millet, and amaranth. 1 cup each, make a flour. You just turn your Vitamixer on high. Now, of course, I don't even have a lid, do I? This is a dry grains container. Now, what we're doing is breaking down all these grains and releasing the micronutrients in it. Micronutrients are immediately available at the cellular level. It's all broken down and ready to go for you. We're just going to jump it in. All that nice fresh flour. And we're just going to mix. So since these grains are so high in protein, this is the reason why we call these protein bars. This is natural protein, complete proteins, along with so much fiber and nutrients. Definitely has the essential amino acid balance in it. All right, now we're going to make our flax mixture. Okay. Oh, that smells nice. Okay, let's remove these and get our flax going. Now, you start with 3 cups again of your infusion, always adding extra nutrients. Here's a cup of flax seed. In here I have 4 tablespoons of nutmeg. It kind of hides flavor of flax. And a half a cup of cinnamon. There we go. And we do need a lid for this one. We're going to process it on high for about 10 seconds, 10-15 seconds. Start on number 1 and work it up. That's good. And just pour it into your mixture. And mix. Now in part 2 of this video, we're going to take this mixture and I'm going to show you how we make our bars. So check our part 2 on protein bars. Oh, this smells delicious. Cinnamon is yummy. This is going to be the center of the protein bar. We're going to take this mixture, we're going to dehydrate it, and we're going to then take a peanut butter mixture and peanuts and cover it. It's going to be delicious, full of protein and nutritional values. So check part 2 of our protein bars. And if you want any other information on this or other products, check us out at www.rawfoodforhealthyliving.com. Bye now.